to a WTI. Do you find yourself, your husband, or your children sneaking in the kitchen for something sweet and you're trying to avoid them from having it? Stop doing that because I have found the right cookies for you guys. Hu grain-free cookies are so unique. They're keto-friendly. I love the ingredients. It's incredible, but this is sweetened with dates. It has the real deal. It has coconut oil and it has vanilla bean, not vanilla flavor, and it's 0 sugar added. I'm loving this. This is a tablespoon. I want you to see a size of each cookie. You can have up to 9 of them to make it a serving. They're so delicious. It'll be plenty for you to satisfy that sweet tooth, and I love them. So all cookies are not created equal. Hu's cookies are unique. I highly recommend them. They're delicious, and that's just my point of view.